Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Arlo camera night vision not working. Okay. So guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So first of all, check the night vision setting. Open the Arlo app or log in into your Arlo account online. Then navigate to the camera setting. Ensure that the night vision is enabled in the setting to active the infrared LED for low recording. Okay. Then resync the camera. Remove the problematic camera from the base station. Perform a resync by adding the camera back to the base station. Okay. Then reset the camera. Remove the reinsert the battery or open the close the battery compartment door and then toggle off the night vision setting. Save changes, then turn it back on and save again. Okay. Then check for the hardware issue. Inspect the camera for any physical damage or issue like a pinched wire or broken lens that could affect the night vision functionality. Okay. And after this, if all of these steps is still not working for you, you can contact Arlo support. Like go to their website and then go to the support page. Like you can see arlo.com, then support, then contact us. Go to contact us, ask for them help, whatever kind of help you need. Like which area you are, you can select your area and go for the all contact number like this. You can contact from your area number and ask for them help, whatever kind of help you need. So this is all a step. Thanks guys.